you like my new jacket? It's from Loose Kit, and I thought I got it because it's winter and I don't have any jackets like this. One of those like track jackets, so we'll see how we go. Welcome everyone, my name is Jack Parrotta. Now if you don't know who I am, I'm an Aussie who teaches about e-commerce here in Australia, mainly Amazon FBA and dropshipping. Now in this video we're going to talk about the top 3 suppliers if you want to dropship here in Australia. Now I've personally had success dropshipping in Australia, having one product dropshipping stores that are selling just to Aussies, doing about 15 to 20k in revenue per month, and that was a profit of about 1,500 per week. Now, some of these best-selling products I had were actually in the midst of COVID, right in 2020, and there were a lot of issues with suppliers. Then there was things like stocking issues, there were things like shipping, and then all of this stuff went down with China and Australia, and then the shipping times went from, you know, you had e-packet shipping, which was like 15 to 20 days, maybe 12 to 20 days, and then it just skyrocketed up to like 40 to 60 days. Now these days it is getting better, okay? The shipping times from China aren't as bad as what they used to be, but you still get a lot of people who have trouble when it comes to finding the right suppliers, you know, in terms of pricing, in terms of more so in terms of shipping time. So we're gonna go through these suppliers and I'm gonna talk about sort of a few pros and cons in them, but really why I've chosen them in my top 3. So without further ado, we're going to jump into my computer. I'm going to get straight into it. Before we get into this video, if you do enjoy this, please, it would mean so much to me if you were to give this video a like and even subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell if you do like this kind of content. If you do want to see anything else, though, please comment down below and let me know what you want to see. I only put out content that you guys really, really want to see. So please make sure to do that, or comment if there's anything you want to learn in particular. Apart from that, let's get into it. So the first supplier we have is CJ Dropshipping. Now, the reason I like CJ Dropshipping is not just because they have such a big selection of products. Their shipping is quite good, can be a bit expensive, which I'll get into in a second, but gives you a lot more recommendations as opposed to, say, something like Aliexpress, right? So it gives you recommendations on what is working well in the current market. So something that I would recommend is going onto the homepage here and clicking on TikTok, because these are recommended products on e-commerce platforms. So TikTok is a huge one at the moment to see what is popular, to see, you know, viral products, see what's trending. So we can go ahead and actually go into the TikTok tab here, and we can look at, okay, what's trending on TikTok. Now, obviously these aren't going to be all accurate on what's on TikTok, but a lot of these will be shown on TikTok, and it's just going to give you a general idea of similar products that might do well on TikTok. It's pretty self-explanatory, but it's just to give you an idea of what, you know, what the pricing is for these products. Now, what we want to do, we can actually change this to AUD, just so you've got the right currency, right? We'll look at the prices here, and let's just say if you wanted to go for a product, let's you know, be a bit realistic here and see if we were looking at a good you know, a product that we could potentially look at selling. So this is actually a product that I used to sell myself, this resistance band fitness set. So let's just go here and we'll have a look at the pricing and we'll see what we're kind of looking at. Now, again, some of these prices might not be the best. Some of them might actually be great. So the one that I used to sell was like this here, an 11-piece set. I think mine was 11 or 12 pieces. What you're looking at here is, okay, this is the price. Now, this is where you might get caught out, okay? The pricing is $3.10. You might think, oh, that's great. Now you look at the shipping fee here, and it's $21.84 AUD. So this here, okay, this is from the US warehouse. So what you want to do is change this to China warehouse, and you want to ship to, we start typing in Australia here. There we go, and we'll look at the shipping price here now. So another cool thing you can do is actually go through to your shipping method, and you can choose which one you want to do. So really, when you're looking at it, okay, it might not look like much, but these prices will add up over time. So you have to be careful which one you're looking at, because even though you can get 9 to 20 days, which is something that this is great for dropshipping, right? So especially dropshipping to Australia, these shipping times are great. Now, if you're looking at 4 to 12 days, it's up at $51. If you wanted the cheapest one, it's 14 to 25 days, which is $18.32. Now, that is including a service fee, right? Because obviously, CJ Dropshipping, they fulfill the order, they get it ready, they pack and ship it for you, right? So I would probably look at something like this, 9 to 18 days. Even though it's $4 more, we can have a look and see what the total price, dropshipping price is. Now, keep in mind, when I first sold these, this was back in 2020, it was hard to get stock in a lot of places. This is just for the resistance bands here. It's hard to get stock online a lot of places. So I was able to charge upwards of $45, maybe $50, right? So this right now, $25.40 would be the total price if you wanted to dropship this product from this supplier, from CJ Dropshipping, right? There may be more suppliers selling this product, but this is just to give you a general overview of what you're looking at in terms of costs, right? Now, the reason that this costs so much is because it's a bit of a bulkier product, it's a bit bigger. So we could just go through and we'll go to TikTok again and we'll find a smaller product and see if there's any difference in terms of shipping price. Okay, we can go for anything. So let's go for like one of the smallest products we can find. 6 colors, no. We want something that's super, super small and light, right? Non-lipstick cup. Let's maybe try something like this. And we'll have a look and see if there's any difference, right? So let's just do 2 style. Smallest one, shipping fee is only $5. So it's only $1, right? And then we want to make sure it's from the China warehouse. Unfortunately, they don't have an Australian warehouse, right? Well, at least they don't for the majority of these products. Shipping to, again, make sure it's shipping to Australia. And then we want to make sure that it is 15 to 30 days. Okay, so 15 to 25 days even. That's not bad. Now, I would try and get suppliers that don't necessarily go over 20 days, maybe a few days over 20 days. But anything from like the 15 to 20 day mark, usually customers are okay with, as long as you're being transparent on your website about your shipping time. So again, total dropshipping price. So the fee is a lot smaller. It's only $7.60, okay, as opposed to, I think it was, what, $22. Because it's a smaller product, okay, it doesn't cost as much to ship. So that's something that you need to take note of, is the cost of shipping or the size and weight of the product, okay? Obviously, you need a product that you can mark up a lot more if you're going to sell a bigger, bulkier item, but that's just something to take note of. So CJ Dropshipping is a great way. It's very easy to set up on your Shopify store as well. So all you need to do is just download the CJ Dropshipping app and you can connect your store to it. Quite easy to import products as well. So that's one way. They've got different kinds of, different categories as well. You can go to Amazon bestseller, eBay bestseller, even Walmart if you're selling in the US. Okay, these guys ship worldwide. So the good thing is they still have good shipping times to Australia. So that's my first pick, okay? That's my first pick. Now, next pick we've got is iDropship. So I would say the only downside, again, with CJ Dropshipping, only downside would probably be the cost of shipping, but they have a massive selection, okay? Now, the upside to iDropship is that they have all Aussie stock. Now, this is basically Aussie. This is like an Aussie-only supplier. I don't think they ship overseas. I don't think they ship international, but I'll give you just sort of like a reference to, or an example of what we're looking at in terms of pricing. Okay, so we'll go to pet supplies. I usually go to pet supplies just as an example, and we'll see what we can find. Okay, now in order to see prices, one thing I need to note, in order to see prices, you need to make a login. So make a login, otherwise you won't be able to see these prices. So I just had to log in, free to do so as well. So I'm just going to go to pet supplies here, and we're just going to sort by price. And I'll give you an idea of the shipping times. You can actually look on their website for shipping times as well. So let's say, okay, we're not obviously going to sell this, but we're looking at a pet, just a normal stainless steel pet bowl. They're out of stock, but we're looking at, okay, most of these are free. Now, one thing I want to talk about here is, if we just accept this, we want to go to shipping and delivery. These guys are actually based in Victoria, as far as I've seen from my research. Go on their website, it looks like they're based in Victoria. So these are shipping and delivery. So obviously, okay, it looks like they are in Victoria. So the most amount of time it's going to take is 7 days for normal shipping. Obviously, if you're in super remote areas, then it's going to take a little bit longer, but average shipping times are anywhere from 1 to 3 days all the way up to 7 days. So this could be a great, and they actually, their product selection isn't too bad. So this could be a great method if you just want to sell just in Australia. The prices aren't too bad. The shipping times are great, right? And the only downside, I'd say, if this is a downside for you, it was fine for me, The only downside is that it's a bit more of a hassle to connect to your store. When I say hassle, there's just a few more steps involved. It's not like it's super, super tricky. I've actually got a video on it on my channel. I'll try to leave it somewhere around here. If not, just type into YouTube, I dropship Jack Parrotta, and it should come up. It's basically got the method on how to connect it to your Shopify store. So this could be another great supplier that you can use to dropship in Australia. So we're going to go to deals and offers. We'll just see, we'll have a look and see what products there are, because it's nowhere near as big as CJ Dropshipping, but it's still got quite a big selection. So the only thing I would look out for is just the prices. They're most likely going to be a little bit higher than CJ Dropshipping. And you just have to do your product research, do your market research, and see if you can get a big enough profit margin. There are a lot of products here that I've seen that are still lower than what people are selling it for, usually online. So there is margin to make profit. So that's something that I would note. But I dropship, another great supplier that you can use if you're shipping in Australia. Now, the last one is something that you'll probably already know about. The last one is Aliexpress. So the reason that I want to talk about Aliexpress is because Aliexpress is still a great supplier to use for beginners. I still use it for testing products, right? To this day, I've been dropshipping I've had multiple stores. I've been dropshipping for at least the last 3 years, testing different products. I've tested at least 10, 15, 20 different products. And most of the time I always go to Aliexpress. So the reason is because they've got such a huge selection of products and they're so cheap. The products are so cheap. And one thing that I want to note here is that the shipping times aren't as bad as what they used to be, okay? They used to be upwards of 40 to 60 days, right? But let's just go to the top rankings here. We'll go to top ranking products and we'll just have a look just for reference and see what kind of shipping times we're looking at. So let's just say we'll go to nail polish, go to the top trending in nail polish here. And we'll just go to, okay, what do we got here? Professional nail polish. I just wanted to get something that was small and light, and we'll see what we're looking at in terms of shipping times. A lot of the time, a lot of these suppliers, a lot of these products may take about 30 days to get shipped, but there are a lot of suppliers that do the 12 to 20 days, 15 to 20 day shipping times, which is great for drop shipping in my opinion, especially if you're shipping to Australia. So if you wanted just a basic nail polish here, okay, what you want to do is see what options they have. Okay, so July 31st, tracking unavailable, August 8th, June 29th. So I would probably go something like this, even though the shipping's $7. You might be able to find different suppliers that have faster shipping. The fastest shipping I've found on AliExpress so far to Australia is somewhere around 12 to 15 days. This is a product. Now, if you don't know what this is, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a little Bitcoin that is in a case, right? And I was going to sell these, okay, because they're a great idea. Maybe you can look at selling them yourself, but I wanted to buy one myself just to see, and that was from AliExpress. Now, I just wanted to see something because I'm not sure if this is the exact seller that I bought it from, but I was looking and it said that it might take maybe about 20 days or so. And I thought, okay, look, that's not too bad. But a lot of these orders, a lot of these suppliers, they actually don't take as long. They might come actually a little bit earlier. So I'm going to see how long they've got here to ship to Australia. You want to make sure as well it's got shipped to Australia, and you can change your currency to AUD as well. So I want to see what their shipping options are. They got July 31st, June 27th. Okay, so if we're looking at June 27th, so it's the 1st of June that I'm filming this, right? But it says that it's going to take, deliver on June 27th, almost a whole month, right? But I got mine in about 2 weeks, maybe a little under 2 weeks. It wasn't any more than 2 weeks, right? So I would look at different suppliers, and the reason I'm telling you this is because the shipping actually isn't as bad as what it used to be on AliExpress. And if you want a supplier that is great to start with, it's great with a massive product selection and great prices, that's something that I would look into, right? They've got, massive amount of categories. It's always been super easy to connect to your store. The prices are great. So basically my breakdown, okay? The breakdown of these, CJ Dropshipping is, I would probably use it just after you start testing products, right? CJ Dropshipping is great. They've got massive amounts of products. I would say the other upside is that they're probably a bit more trustworthy if you get higher volumes of sales later on. instead of AliExpress. AliExpress, we can run into troubles later on down the track if you are getting, say, more than 10, 20 orders per day, right, on your store. I'd maybe look into something like CJ Dropshipping. They're a bit more stable in terms of that. AliExpress is great to start off with, right? Their prices are great as well. So those two are great. Probably start with AliExpress, move to CJ Dropshipping, or even start with CJ Dropshipping if you find a good, a product that's got good shipping times and good pricing. Now with iDropship, right? If we go to the website here, with iDropship, I would try it out if you are only selling to Australia and you want super fast shipping times. Okay, the pricing's not going to be as good, the product selection isn't going to be as good, but they smash CJ Dropshipping and AliExpress with shipping time. So that's what I would recommend you do if you are looking to get into dropshipping in Australia. These are my 3 best suppliers currently right now. There are a couple of honorable mentions that I just wanted to note. There is also Hyperskew, which I've used before. It isn't too bad, and AliDropship isn't too bad as well. But I want to really just talk about the one that I've personally used myself, and just in terms of ease of use, these 3 are probably the best. Now, the easiest one to use is probably AliExpress. CJ Dropshipping is very similar, and iDropship is a little bit harder to connect and add products and whatnot, but shipping times are great. So that's what I want to note with those 3. If you have any other suppliers that you want me to review or want me to talk about, please let me know. And if you do have any other questions, please let me know. But I'm going to leave that here today, guys. I hope this video helped you. Give it a like, thumbs up, and sub to the channel if you do enjoy this. But apart from that, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night wherever you're watching. See you guys in the next one.